Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Go.
I'm Don Fane, president of Callanan Industries, Albany Construction Company. The book I'm about to read is Goodnight, Goodnight, Construction Site. Goodnight, Goodnight, Construction Site. I think it just said that. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, to make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done, it's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day, a rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed, it's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, and then cuddles up and says good night. Shh. Good night, crane trucks, good night. Spinning and churning all day long, cement mixers sing his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, he gets shiny and bright, pulls up his chutes and turns off his lights. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer, good night. I like this book. I'm really liking it now. Dump trucks love to work and haul. He carries loads, both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed and locks his gate. Rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights, then he shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, good dump truck, good night. Now we're getting good. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. No one's as tough and as strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. Wish I had these books when I was little. He puffs some smokes out of his stack. He turns off his engine and stops in his tracks. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day, but now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig in soon, and roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. This is pretty good stuff. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day and another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop in your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing. Team, it's time to rest and put your head down for your dreams. Construction site, all tucked in. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now shh and good night. And that's my story. Good night.